Lesson 13, Distant Learning, the 14th of May. I'm Mr. Ortiz. My telephone number is 404-955-6666. My email is Hassan, Hassan, at gsu.edu, Hassan at gsu.edu. The book, Ventures 3. Ventures 3. The ISBN number in the back of the book, 976-108-4495-7-1. 976-108-4495-7-1. We're going to pick up on subject and verb agreement because we didn't finish the last exercise. So I have like 4 more sentences to go. Then we're going to go to Unit 10, and it's entitled Free Time, page 122. And the grammar is going to be on conditional sentences and future time clauses. We'll do some reading and we'll do some writing. Okay, so that's going to be the basis of this lesson. Okay, so last week we were working on subject and verb agreement. And we stopped on sentence 4. So let's look at sentence 4. Still, anyone who takes too much of a vitamin or herb could suffer side effects. Still, anyone who takes too much of a vitamin or herb could suffer side effects. So we look for the subject, and the subject is anyone. It's going to be indefinite pronoun, subject, and it's going to be singular. So the verb is going to be takes with an ES. So let's break this sentence down. Still, there's a comma after it, so it's an adverb. Anyone, subject, pronoun. Who is going to be an adjective here because we could substitute that. That takes or who takes. So we know it's an adjective. Takes is the verb, ES, because the subject is singular. To, TOO, adverb. Much, adverb. Of, a preposition. A, adjective. Vitamin, noun. Or, coordinated conjunction. Herb, noun. Could, modal verb. Suffer, main verb. Negative, adjective, effects. The next sentence. Most experts with an S. Blank, and the verb is believe, or form of believe, that herbal supplements are mild and somewhat harmless. Okay. So the subject is going to be experts. So it'll be plural. So the verb stays the same. excuse me, the verb stays the same here. Experts believe. Most is going to be an adjective. That is going to be a subordinated conjunction. Herbal, adjective. Supplements, noun. Are, verb. Mile, adjective. And coordinated conjunction, someone, somewhat, adverb. Harmless, adjective. The next sentence. Some research blank, blank, and the verb is suggest that vitamin C may help prevent cancer. Okay. So what's the subject? The subject is research. Is it singular or plural? Is it singular or plural? Well, if we look in front of it, there's a word which is some, which means more than one. So now the word research is plural. Okay? So it stays the same. It doesn't change. Research, some research, meaning more than one research, suggests, plural subject, plural verb. If the sentence read the research, now we're talking about singular, then we have to add an S at the end, suggest. Okay? Following me? The next sentence. Talking to your doctor before taking supplements, blank, advisable. And it's going to be a be verb. Okay? So is the subject doctor, or is the subject talking, first word? The subject is talking. It's a gerund, gerundive. It's a gerund. And gerunds take singular. So this is going to be talking to your doctor before taking supplements. Is. Talking is advisable. Talking is advisable. Singular subject, singular verb. Now we're going to the last sentence. A daily diet that blank. Food from the four groups should supply all the nutrients a person needs. A daily diet that blank, and the verb is under the blank, the verb is contained. We'll see what form it takes. A daily diet that blank, food from the four groups should supply all the nutrients a person needs. So the subject is diet, singular. So the verb is contains with an S. The verb is contains with an S. Okay. So we finished the subject and verb agreement now. Let's go to page 124, and we're going to look at the conditional sentences, page 124.
Unit 10, Lesson B, Conditionals. Future real conditionals. Watch and listen. Future real conditionals. Use an if clause to talk about future possibility. Use the simple present in the if clause. Use the future in the main clause to talk about what could happen. If she has enough money, she will buy a car.
They won't drive if it snows.
Won't is short for will not. Future real conditionals. Use a comma when the if clause is at the beginning of the sentence. Remember to pause at the comma when reading aloud or speaking. If plus noun plus the simple present plus the subject plus will plus the base form of a verb. If I have time, I will call you.
If I don't have the money, I won't buy the book.
Future real conditionals. You can also use this order to make future real conditional sentences. Subject plus will plus the base form of a verb plus if plus noun plus the simple present. I will call you if I have time.
I won't buy the book if I don't have the money.
If the weather is nice, we will have a picnic. We will have a picnic if the weather is nice.
If it rains, we won't go to the beach. We won't go to the beach if it rains.
If she has enough time, she will go shopping. She will go shopping if she has enough time. Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Complete the sentence. We will have a picnic if the weather is nice. If the weather is nice, we will have a picnic.
We won't go to the beach if it rains. If it rains, we won't go to the beach.
She will go shopping if she has enough time. If she has enough time, she will go shopping. Let's review. Use an if clause to talk about future possibility. Use the simple present in the if clause. Use the future in the main clause to talk about what could happen.
If the fare is cheap enough, we will fly. We will fly if the fare is cheap enough.
If the weather is bad, she won't go swimming. She won't go swimming if the weather is bad.
If they get time off from work, they will visit their relatives in California. They will visit their relatives in California if they get time off from work.
Okay. Let's review that again, okay? I'll try to get it back on.
Unit 10, Lesson B, Conditionals. Future real conditionals. Watch and listen. Future real conditionals. Use an if clause to talk about future possibility. Use the simple present in the if clause. Use the future in the main clause to talk about what could happen. If she has enough money, she will buy a car.
They won't drive if it snows.
Won't is short for will not. Future real conditionals. Use a comma when the if clause is at the beginning of the sentence. Remember to pause at the comma when reading aloud or speaking. If plus noun plus the simple present plus the subject plus will plus the base form of a verb. If I have time, I will call you.
If I don't have the money, I won't buy the book.
Future real conditionals. You can also use this order to make future real conditional sentences. Subject plus will plus the base form of a verb plus if plus noun plus the simple present. I will call you if I have time.
I won't buy the book if I don't have the money.
If the weather is nice, we will have a picnic. We will have a picnic if the weather is nice.
If it rains, we won't go to the beach. We won't go to the beach if it rains.
If she has enough time, she will go shopping. She will go shopping if she has enough time. Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Complete the sentence. We will have a picnic if the weather is nice. If the weather is nice, we will have a picnic.
We won't go to the beach if it rains. If it rains, we won't go to the beach.
She will go shopping if she has enough time. If she has enough time, she will go shopping. Let's review. Use an if clause to talk about future possibility. Use the simple present in the if clause. Use the future in the main clause to talk about what could happen.
If the fare is cheap enough, we will fly. We will fly if the fare is cheap enough.
If the weather is bad, she won't go swimming. She won't go swimming if the weather is bad.
If they get time off from work, they will visit their relatives in California. They will visit their relatives in California if they get time off from work.
Okay. So that's some information on conditional sentences. So when we come back, we're going to be working on conditional sentences. There's different types of conditional sentences, and they have them as zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional, real conditional, unreal conditional. So we will explore the different types of conditional sentences. Okay, and then later on we'll work on the future tenses also. Okay, so I'll see you in a few minutes. Ciao. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.